girl, welcome back to my channel Beautiful Youths. Aditi Pal, and today we are going to do review of Zobag for the month of May 2017. This is Zobag's first bag, so actually they have introduced it this month. So let's find out what we have got. So firstly, what I loved about this bag is its packaging. The packaging was so good and damn, and it was so wow that if you look at it, you will feel just wow. In the packaging of this, you can see a beautiful heart kind of packaging, and it was so lovely and so good. So it has come in that. So now about the bag, it has come in a bag. So here it is Zotezo Zobag, and here be your own queen. So this was the bag, and here is the tassel zip. So a very beautiful Zobag, and it's a zoot bag, white color zoot bag, and you can do whatever you want to. You can put a lot of stuff in this bag. Just look at the size of this bag. It's just so wow. So let's start with the products. Okay, so Zobag have sent this card regarding Beyond Queen, the theme that they have got, and about the product details here in this card. So let's start. So the first thing that we have got is this Ayurveda organic hair serum. So this is the packaging of this hair serum, organic luxury by nature. This is actually Moroccan oil, and Moroccan hair oil, as we all know, has got very good and very high quantity of vitamin E in them, and it is kind of hair serum, and it gives strength and stiffness to your hair, make them stronger. And the price actually, what's the price? The price is 600 rupees for 50 ml, which is quite high in my opinion. So this is the product that I have got. It's just 50 ml of the product, and the cost is 600 rupees, and the life period of this is up to 20, actually 3 years, so we can say 36 months. Okay, is the life. And actually what has happened is that I have got this broken, that cap of this. Earlier, around 6 months back, I have got organic Bracken hair oil. I purchased it, and it was for 100 ml, the cost was 450 rupees. So now the quantity is less by half, and the price is around double. So that is quite quick and very much higher than when I have earlier purchased it. So I don't know how they have increased the price that much. I will definitely look into the other websites and find out about the pricing of this. So now the cost of this is 600 rupees. So that was my first product. The second product that I have got is this McCaffeine Smooth Jazz Body Butter. So this is the product, McCaffeine Smooth Jazz Body Butter. Actually, McCaffeine products I have used earlier. I have got one face wash in my Glamigo box, one face wash in my, that was I think caffeine kind of face wash, and that was in my Fabric, yes, in my Fabric. So this is the third product from McCaffeine that I am going to be using, and the quantity of this product is 50 ml of 50 ml, and the price is 400 rupees. So body butter is must for everybody, and I just love body butters. I just love their fragrances. So definitely going to try it, a good product. The third product that I have got is this Veda Avocado Peppermint soap. So vitamin E soap. So actually it got two colors. One is white over here, and this is sky blue over here. It has come in a very cute packaging like this, you can see. The quantity is good. It is 125 gram of the product. The pricing is very good. It's 210 rupees, which is quite costly for me. So but it contains avocado, and we know avocado is very rich in minerals and vitamins, and very good for anti-aging. And it contains tea tree oil, very good for acne, pimples and rashes. So very good handmade soap. The fourth product that I have got is this Banzara Tan Free Face Wash. So this is the product, and this is 50 ml of the product, but as it is 20% extra, so I've got 10 gram of the product extra. So this is this 60 ml of the product. The price is what I really like. It's only 40 rupees and totally organic. Can you believe that? As it contains multani mitti and orange peel extracts, orange peel, which is very good for oily skin people. Orange peel just absorbs the oil from your face and very good. So it's a very good product and the pricing is really good. I'm definitely going to do a review, a separate review for this. The last and final product that I have got is this. This is Banjara's. 1 minute. Oh, it has fallen down. This is Banjara's hair care powder hibiscus. So it contains 5 pouches, that is of 20 grams each. So here are the 5 pouches. So this is hibiscus powder, and hibiscus we all know very good in anti aging of your hair, sorry, graying of your hair. So graying of your hair make the texture of hair really good. I have earlier used amla powder of Banjara's and it was really good. So definitely looking forward to try this, and I think we should all try at least organic products. At least they do not have chemicals in them, good for our skin, good for our body, very good. So that was all for my zoo bag for this month, and I just love it. And one more thing, sorry, I forgot. I have also got the sample size of this OGX, that is Fight Fallout Niacin and Caffeine shampoo and conditioner pouches. These are 2 sample size products and 7.4 ml each. So as far as I'm concerned, Zobag is a very good subscription bag for around 500 rupees that you have spent. Actually, I have spent 540 including the shipping charges. For the 540 rupees that you have spent, you are getting more than 1000 rupees of the products, and I think that total goes around 1250 to 1300 rupees, and it's worth buying. You should buy it. And I don't know whether there is going to be another month Zobag or not. I don't know. Actually, I have tried to contact them, but they are not telling us about whether there is going to be a next month bag or not. But this month bag is really good. The products are nice, good natural kind of products that we should use. So that was all for my Zobag for this month, May 2017. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, there is a giveaway going on in my channel. I would like you all to go and participate, and one of the winner is going to win Glamigo box. Glamigo box for the month of May 2017. And one more thing, if there are going to be more than 50 participants in the giveaway, then there are going to be 2 more, and those winners are going to get products from me that are really my favorite brand and that I'm going to give to you. So do go check it out. I'm also going to put a link up there so that you can watch the video and follow and participate in the giveaway. Just enjoy yourself, that's what I want. So just go for it. I just love you, and good night. It's around 10:30. You can see I'm not able to speak properly because I am feeling sleepy. So good night to you all and take care. Love you. Bye. Winners,